Hey everyone, so we're going to show you how to sign up to place a cache on geocache.com. Before you begin, you'll want to find a place that you want to hide your cache and use a mapping app to find the coordinates. After you've done this, sign into your geocache account and click the play button in the top left-hand corner of the page. A toolbar will appear and you'll want to click Hide a Geocache. On the next page, you'll scroll down until you see a green button that says Create a New Geocache. Okay. Next, you'll check to make sure that your coordinates are nowhere near another geocache that is already hidden. As you can see, ours is not near another geocache, so we're going to continue. Next, you'll decide if your geocache is going to be a traditional, which is where you only hide one cache to find, or if it's a multi-cache, where you'll hide multiple caches to find. We're going to choose a traditional cache. Next, we're going to enter our coordinates so that the website knows that our cache is nowhere near another person's. And then we'll continue. Waypoint is optional, but could be used as a good starting point. There's parking, which I use as a starting point. There's trails ahead and reference points. We're not going to choose a waypoint this time, so we're just going to continue. Next is the geocache details, which include the name, the date that the geocache is going to be placed, and the location, as well as the summary. The summary is a short description of the area that the cache is hidden in, such as a park or building, and the history of said place. Next is the description. The description is the directions that you are going to give the seeker of your cache. These directions should be vague enough to where the seeker needs to search for the cache, but not so vague that they cannot find it. It should not be so precise, though, that you tell them exactly where the cache is located. Next is the background image, which is optional. This can be helpful in locating the exact spot of the cache, but again is optional. The hint is just that, a clue to help the seeker find the hidden cache. Also, be sure that you agree to the terms and conditions.
So next, we're gonna choose a size for our cache. It can be micro, small, regular, or large. You can buy this in Amazon, or you can just get a Altoids box for the container, or just use a medicine container. So after that, you're gonna take a look at the difficulty and terrain, which ranges from 1 to 5, 5 being the hardest one. And then next, you're gonna take a look at the attributes. There's 15 different ones. You can describe the location of your cache. So you can take a look at things like, does it have snakes, or is it wheelchair accessible? You can also see if there's any bathrooms nearby. So to activate these icons, you just have to click on them. So after that, you can just click on continue. This final part of the geocache is the reviewer notes, and these are for when you submit your cache to the site to be reviewed. So you give the exact location and directions, of your cache so a reviewer can find it. So once you're done, all that is left is to press submit and to wait for your cache to be reviewed.